Question number 8. We have to start off by finding the gradient of the line AB. So we can use the gradient formula. M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to label up my two coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute those into the formula. So it'll be 3 take away negative 7 over 4 take away negative 1. So 3 take away negative 7 is 3, add 7, 4 take away negative 1, 4 add 1, giving us 10 over 5, giving us a gradient of 2. So m is equal to 2. In part B, it tells us that the line AB cuts the y-axis at the point 0, negative 5. So that's right here. So our y-intercept is negative 5. So we can just use the form y equals mx plus c, because we know the gradient and we know the y-intercept. So y equals 2x plus negative 5, or y equals 2x minus 5, like so. We're then asked to find the value of k. So we've got a point 3k k, so it just means the x value is 3 times the size of the y value. So that's our x value, that's our y value. So we've got to find out what the value of k is. So we're going to use our equation here. We're going to substitute x and y into that. So y is k. This x coordinate is 3k, so it's going to be 2 times 3k minus 5. So k equals 6k minus 5. So if I add 5 to both sides and then subtract k, so I want to find what 1k is, so I'm going to divide both sides by 5 and swap that around. K equals 1. It doesn't actually ask us to find out what the coordinate is, just the value of k. If it did ask you for the coordinate to be 3 times k, it would be 3 times 1 and 1. So it would be 3, 1 if it asked you to do that. For question 9, we're asked to write it in the form x plus a all squared plus b. That's completing the square. So all we're going to do is half this value, and that goes in here. We're still going to subtract 7. We also have to subtract this number squared, so we're subtracting 9. So negative 7 minus 9 gives us negative 16, like that. So that is what f of x is equal to. Now state the coordinates of the turning point of f of x. That comes from this value and this value. So it tells us it's plus 3, so it's going to be minus 3 for the turning point. And shifted down 16, so negative 16. So that's the turning point.